Looking for a fun and simple way to stay connected with your partner? Let me show you how to use the Couple Joy app. First, download Couple Joy from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign up using your email or social account. Next, connect with your partner. You can send them an invite link or enter the code they share with you. Once you're connected, you'll both see the same shared space. Inside the app, you can chat privately, answer daily questions, and complete fun couple activities together. These are designed to help you communicate better and understand each other more. You can also track important dates, share moods, and send little reminders or messages throughout the day. That's it. Couple Joy is simple, fun, and made to bring couples closer, one small interaction at a time. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.